Hello everyone, welcome back to Data with Pankaj. And today I have really exciting video for you because Microsoft is literally giving away free certification vouchers, and I want to make sure you don't miss out. Now, some of you might be thinking if you miss an AI skill fest where we could get 100% off voucher for different certification, the Microsoft AI skill fest is now over. If you completed those challenges and learning path, you will receive 100% off coupon for the exam like DP-600, DP-700 and DP-800. But here is the thing, if you miss the AI skill phase, please don't worry. I have got something bigger for you. It is called Fabric Data Days 2026 and the free voucher offer is back. So stick with me till the end because I am going to show you exactly how to claim it step by step. What exactly is this event? Fabric Data Days 2026 is the Microsoft biggest community powered data and AI festival of the year, and in 2026 they have gone bigger than ever. It is no longer just about Fabric and Power BI. This time it's cover Fabric, Power BI, SQL and AI all under one roof. The event run for over 60 days starting from June 15 and going through early August 2026. And we are talking about a massive lineup, 100 plus live event and on demand session hosted by your favorite Microsoft MVP and influencer session in a multiple language like English, Spanish, Portuguese, and Hindi, and many more. 30 plus user groups where the study will happen for different exam like PL300, DP600, DP700, and DP800. Multiple contests and challenges, study group, community spaces, and free certification voucher. So whether you are brand new to the data or already a working professional, there is a genuinely something here for everyone. Now, before we got to the certification, I have to talk about one of my favorite things in this whole event, the Power BI Data Viz World Championship. So, if you scroll down to this particular page, I will make sure that this link will be available in the video description so you can navigate to the same page. So, here you can see the Power BI Data Viz Championship. Okay. If you click on this page, you will see that Power BI Data Viz Championship details. So if you are love building beautiful reports, creative report, this is one for you. It is global context that celebrate creativity, analytical excellence, and storytelling with the data. Here is how it will work. It runs across multiple theme rounds, and each round give you fresh data set and fresh challenges. Your entry is judged on creativity, clarity, and insightfulness and accessibility. And there is a also community voting, so everyone gets to cheer for their favorites. The judge even picked a wild card finalist for one of the standout entry that of deserve a second look. And the grand prize finalist complete live on stage on FabCon, the Fabric Community Conference, to be crowned the Power BI Data Visualization World Championship. I always tell my community member for this context. So here you will get a global stage to show your skill set, and that will be helpful for enhance your skill. And if you are participating, then you are actively tracking the event, and you may see the different entries, and you will see the progress how people are creating their own Power BI reports or dashboard. You will try to learn those particular skills. So this is recommended to participate in this particular challenge. Okay, now let's talk about the part you have been waiting for, 100% of certification vouchers. So during Fabric Data Days 2026, Microsoft is offering eligible participants a full free exam voucher for one of the three certification like DP-600, DP-700 or DP-800. So at a time you will either get for DP-600, DP-700 or DP-800. There is no chance that you will get all three together. Okay, so you can apply for anyone. And just heads up, supplies are limited and first come first serve. So if you want to one, don't wait until the last week. Let me quickly explain you what each of this exam is. So if you can pick the right one for your career. So DP-600 is Fabric Analytical Engineer. This is perfect if you live in the world of Power BI, data modeling and analytical. It's validate your skill in the designing, building and deploying analytical solution in the Microsoft Power BI, preparing data, building semantic model and turning it into insight. DP-700 is Fabric Data Engineer. This one is for the data engineering side. It focuses on data ingestion, transformation, architecture of the data pipelines, working with a lakehouse, warehouse, and managing the end-to-end data flow inside Fabric. If you know the building, the pipelines and different architecture of the data, then this exam is for you. DP-800 is SQL AI engineer. This is Microsoft newest certification, and it is really exciting one. It is all about building AI-enabled database solution across SQL Server, Azure SQL, and SQL databases in Microsoft Fabric. If you want to be part of the intersection of SQL and AI, which is where the industry is heading now, this is the certification to watch. So pick the one that matches your goal. If you are Power BI developer, like most of my community members are, so you can go for DP-600, and after that you can go for DP-700 and then DP-800. Okay, but focus on DP-600 first to get started with the Fabric. All right, now most important part, how do you actually qualify? This is where people make a mistake, so follow along with me. To be considered for the 100% discount voucher, you must complete all this requirement. Okay, so first you need to join the Fabric community, then you have to watch the data day session either live or on demand. If you go here, so if you click here, get Fabric or SQL certified for free, so there will be one form will be open. Okay, here is the detailed criteria. So what are the different things you need to complete to get 100% off gift coupon for DP-600, 700, and DP-800? Okay, so here you can see, as a participant in the data days, you may be eligible to receive 100% discount voucher for the exam. These are the three exams. Limited quantities are available, so keep in mind. So to join the Fabric community, if you haven't already, watch two data day session live and on demand, complete three Microsoft Learn modules. So if you click here, it will open the live or on demand session. You have to watch at least two session out of this. Then again, another criteria is complete. So if you click here, it will open the Microsoft Learn module. So from that, you have to complete at least three modules. You can see this is for Fabric DP-600, then DP-700, and all the way down it is DP-800. So you can complete any three module. So completion of module is nothing but you have to complete that module 100%. Okay, then only you are eligible and you can show that module is completed. Okay, so these are the two criteria: two live session or on demand session, and three any module of Microsoft Learn portal. And then you have to just agree with the terms and condition that as per the Microsoft terms and condition. Okay, I have signed in with my email ID for the Fabric community. Here you can see, after completing your on-demand session and Microsoft Learn portal, this form will be there. So you have to fill the required details. So first you will select your username, then select the country like India. I am from India. Then select which exam you are going to take. So let's say I am going to take DP-600. I will just select few things to make it clear. Okay, then why do you want to Microsoft certified? Here you can mention something like, I want to validate my skill set to add more weightage of Fabric skill in my resume. I want to get certified, something like that. Okay, which two session did you watch? Are you planning to watch? So if you watch any two session live or on demand, you have to mention those session details here. If you are planning, you can also mention. Okay, then which three Microsoft Learn module you have completed, you have to mention the details of those modules here. How did you hear about this offer? Be very specific, who is shared this offer with you, at what event, on what side. Okay, so you can mention my YouTube channel name or if any forum name. Okay, that is fine. Did you already have any Microsoft certification? If you have any certification like DP-600, DP-700, DP-800, you can mention. If not, then you can keep it as a blank or not applicable. Okay, do you have already, the next is, do you work with a Microsoft partner organization, EPS? You can mention. If you are confused, then you can mention the no, that is also fine. And ultimately you need to agree to this all terms and condition, and you have to submit this. After submission, and they will validate your learning things like you have completed the required criteria. If you meet the criteria, then you will get a certification voucher after few days of completing this data days 2026. So this is how you can claim the free certification voucher for the three exam: DP-600, DP-700, and DP-800, depending on which exam you are planning. So to quickly recap, the AI skill fest is over, but Fabric Data Days 2026 is here, running it till early August. You can get 100% free voucher for DP-600, DP-700, and DP-800. Just join the community, watch two session, complete three learn modules, agree to terms, and submit the form before August 10. And while you are there, jump into Power BI Data Visualization Championship and other contexts. I will drop all the important links in the description below, the data days homepage, the certification form, the live session. If you like this video, do subscribe and share with your friends who want to claim 100% off coupon for Microsoft exam like DP-600, DP-700, DP-800. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.